Astronauts are returning to the moon for the first time in over 50 years. In 1969, we took our first steps on its surface. The Apollo 11 mission was a monumental achievement, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. By 1972, astronauts from 5 more Apollo missions set foot on the moon. As a part of 3 of those missions, lunar rovers traveled more than 56 combined miles while exploring the areas around the landing sites. Now, a new era of lunar exploration is about to begin. With advancements in technology and a renewed sense of purpose, we are ready to embark on this incredible journey once again. It's called the Artemis Program. Named after the twin sister of Apollo, Artemis represents the next chapter in our quest to explore the moon. This time, our mission is more ambitious than ever before. This time, we're going to stay. We are planning to establish a sustainable presence on the lunar surface, creating habitats and infrastructure that will allow us to live and work on the moon for extended periods. We will conduct experiments, gather resources, and learn how to live in this new environment. The moon is just the beginning. Our sights are set on Mars and beyond. The future of space exploration is here, and it promises to be an exciting ride. The Apollo missions were a defining moment for humanity. With 17 missions and 5 successful moon landings, we gained considerable knowledge of what it would take for future endeavors. Artemis builds on the legacy of Apollo. It takes us further. It pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity. This time we are not just visiting the moon, we are establishing a permanent outpost. Imagine scientists conducting experiments on the lunar surface. Picture astronauts living and working in lunar habitats. Envision us mining resources to propel us deeper into space. This is the future of spaceflight. It's bold, ambitious, and within our reach. The Artemis program is making it a reality. The Artemis program is a multi-phase endeavor, meticulously designed to push the boundaries of human space exploration. It represents a bold vision for the future, aiming to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon and beyond. Each mission builds upon the last, creating a stepping stone approach that leads us closer to a sustainable lunar presence. The program is not just about reaching the moon, it's about learning to live and work there, paving the way for future missions to Mars and other distant destinations. The first 3 missions are critical. They are the foundation upon which all future lunar and deep space missions will be built. These missions are designed to test new technologies, gather essential data, and ensure the safety and success of future crewed missions. They lay the foundation for all that follows, ensuring that each subsequent mission is safer, more efficient, and more capable. The meticulous planning and execution of these missions are crucial for the long-term success of the Artemis program. Artemis 1, completed in December 2022, was a giant leap forward. This uncrewed mission was a critical test of the Space Launch System, SLS rocket, and the Orion spacecraft, both of which are essential components of the Artemis program. An uncrewed Orion spacecraft journeyed around the moon, testing its systems in the harsh environment of deep space. This mission provided invaluable data that will be used to refine and improve the spacecraft for future crewed missions. The SLS rocket is the most powerful rocket ever built. It is designed to carry astronauts and cargo to the moon and beyond, and its successful test was a major milestone for the Artemis program. It also ensured the Orion capsule is safe for humans. Any necessary adjustments will be made to ensure the safety and comfort of the astronauts who will travel in Orion on future missions. Artemis 2 will be another momentous occasion. This mission will be the first crewed flight of the Artemis program. This crewed mission will orbit the moon, allowing astronauts to test Orion's systems in deep space and gather critical data for future missions. The experience gained from this mission will be invaluable for Artemis 3 and beyond. This prepares us for landing on the lunar surface. The data and experience gained from Artemis 2 will be used to refine the plans for Artemis 3, ensuring that the first crewed landing on the moon in over 50 years is a success. The Artemis program marks a new chapter in human exploration. It is about learning to live and work on the moon, paving the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. The Apollo missions landed near the moon's equator. Artemis is aiming for a different destination, the lunar South Pole. This region holds immense scientific value. It is home to areas that experience nearly continuous sunlight and permanently shadowed craters. These craters contain water ice. NASA has identified 13 regions around the lunar South Pole that meet safety requirements for landing and provide opportunities to search for lunar resources. Each region can also help us learn more about the history of the Moon and provide an understanding of our place in the solar system. These 13 potential landing areas represent diverse features in the lunar landscape, ranging from mountains towering miles above their surroundings to the rims of deep craters. The Artemis program aims for more than just flags and footprints. It's about establishing a sustained human presence on the Moon. Imagine a future where astronauts live and work on the lunar surface for months at a time. To achieve this, we need infrastructure. NASA is developing specialized habitats. They will shield astronauts from radiation and extreme temperatures. Advanced life support systems will recycle air and water. These habitats will also serve as scientific outposts. Laboratories on the Moon will study lunar geology, astronomy, and the effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body. The Moon will become a testing ground for technologies needed for future missions to Mars and beyond. Imagine a space station in orbit around the Moon. This is the gateway. Its construction is the primary purpose of Artemis 4, 5, and 6. Think of it as a lunar outpost and a cosmic pit stop. The gateway will serve as a staging ground for missions to the lunar surface. It will provide a platform for scientific research. It will also act as a communications hub, relaying data between Earth and the Moon. But the gateway's significance extends beyond the Moon. It will serve as a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. The technologies and experience gained from operating the gateway will pave the way for humanity's expansion into the solar system. The Artemis program is laying the foundation for human missions to Mars. The red planet beckons with its mysteries and possibilities. By establishing a sustainable presence on the Moon, we are developing and testing technologies needed for Mars. Life support systems, radiation shielding, and resource utilization techniques will be crucial for long-duration missions to the red planet. The Moon also offers a unique environment to study the psychological and physiological effects of long-duration spaceflight. Lessons learned from these studies will be invaluable for ensuring the health and well-being of astronauts on a journey to Mars. The Artemis program is a global collaboration. Space agencies and private companies worldwide are partnering with NASA. They contribute expertise, technology, and resources. Artemis unites nations in the pursuit of a common goal: to expand our understanding of the universe and push the boundaries of human exploration. This international collaboration is essential for the success of the program. The Artemis program is an investment in the future. It represents humanity's enduring quest to push the boundaries of what is possible, to explore the unknown, and to seek out new frontiers. This program is a testament to our collective ambition and our desire to understand the cosmos.